Hey guys, Justin here with JKS Manufacturing. We're going to do a little weekly tech segment this year and kind of kicking off 2020, our first one. We'll be talking about how to measure to adjust your track bar. As you know, JKS Manufacturing is famous for our high strength adjustable track bars, but how do you measure for making that adjustment? We're going to take a look at this Gladiator here, which is pretty much the same as the front end of a JL, and then we'll look at maybe an XJ and a JK as well, and just kind of different ways you can measure to get that correct adjustment. So on a coil sprung vehicle, solid axle vehicle, whatever it might be, this Gladiator is a good example. I'm looking for something on the frame that is not going to move side to side if I jump over to, say, the passenger side or the driver's side to get my measurement. I want the wheels as close to straight as possible, and I'm just going to take a measurement on this vehicle from the coil bucket to the outside tread block of the tire. So that's going to be about 12 inches on this vehicle, okay? So we'll go over to the other side, and I'm going to take that same measurement outside of the coil bucket to the edge of the block of the tire. It's about 11.5 inches. So that tells me this track bar is off 1/2 inch. So when I go to adjust my track bar, all I need to do is adjust that 1/4 inch. So when we're taking this measurement, it's extremely important for the vehicle to be on as level of ground as possible and also sitting at ride height. And we'll show you an example of why that is so important. So with this vehicle basically sitting on the ground at ride height, level ground, we're going to take that measurement, and that's going to be right at 12 inches. All right, so I walk over here, and I raise this Jeep up. We'll say that's 6 inches, okay? So now we look at that same measurement, and we are already at 11.5 inches. So a 1/2 inch difference just with a few inches raised ride height. So extremely important. Let's get that vehicle at ride height to make sure the measurements we're taking are extremely accurate. So just to show you that, different, mounts in different locations on different Jeeps, we grabbed this XJ out of our parking lot here, and we're going to show you where we might measure on this to make sure the track bar is centered. So again, we're looking for something on the vehicle that is not going to move or be different on the other side, okay, so that I can measure the two sides and compare. So again, on here, I think I like this top coil mount, just kind of right in the center against that isolator. And, that's going to give me a measurement to the outside tread block of that tire, which is extremely nice, actually, a nice squared off tread block. So we're majorly looking for something that's going to be the same on both sides of the vehicle. Give or take a 1/16 or an 1/8 of an inch. That's okay. We don't want to give or take a 1/4 of an inch. So let's go check another vehicle. We'll say this is our third and final vehicle, and just different places to measure to get that track bar centered. Okay, so our third and final vehicle, again, just kind of getting a good sampling of different situations you might come into with a vehicle that has an adjustable track bar that you need to measure to adjust. This is going to be a coilover converted JK. And so the coil bucket is now below the tire. There's a little bit of a low ride height, pretty tall tire. So can't really measure to that coil bucket, but both sides of this thing have this coilover bracket, right? So right to that coilover bracket, about a little over 16 inches. Go over to the other side. Right to that coilover bracket, right about just over 16 inches. So this one's centered. So a lot of different places that you can measure on your Jeep to make sure the track bar is centered, the rear being the same situation. We just need to find something that is in the same location on both sides so we can get a consistent measurement and make those adjustments as needed. So we're always looking for ideas or questions you might have to continue these tech video series. If you have a question, comment, concern, or something in an instruction, or there's a build or a project or something you want to know more about, don't ever hesitate to shoot us a message, make a comment, or let us know. We'd be more than happy to, do a video on it or explain that situation. As always, jksmfg.com, our Facebook and Instagram feeds, JKSMFG there as well. And hey, just hit us up with those questions, comments, and concerns, and we'll get you that information.